Hey everyone, it's Megan with Alder and Nance, and today I wanted to go over the Be Bold pattern that I received from Ellie Mac through my May ThreadCrate subscription box. During the month of May, I received my pattern and fabric through ThreadCrate. The fabric I received is this beautiful black Rayon Challis that is lightweight and has wonderful drape. In a few moments, I'll be sharing the pattern envelope, but I chose to go with the tunic style top with ruffle and short sleeves. The Be Bold pattern by Ellie Mac is in the size range from XXS to 5XL, and I'll share the measurements this fits in a moment, but the pattern is options for a knee-length dress, tunic, shirt, crop top, and bikini styles with an added ruffle, sash, and an option to choose a button-down design. You also have the option to have this as a sleeveless, short, long, or puff sleeve design also. The measurement chart for the bust ranges from 29 inches to 60 inches. The waist is from 23.5 inches to 56 inches, and the hips is from 33.5 to 63 inches. You're also given a fabrics requirement chart, a elastic cutting chart, and the supplies that are needed within your instruction booklet. I'm now showing you the projector file that was in my download, but this project is the same on the front and back and is cut on the fold unless you are making the button-down version. You also have your skirt, sleeve, and ruffle pattern pieces that you will need to cut out. The sash and the strap options are just rectangles that you will need to measure and cut out in your fabric from this cutting chart. So my thoughts on this top: not only do I love this pattern and plan to make myself a dress and button-down version of it, but my oldest child loves it also, and they want me to make them one with the strap option too. Shortly after trying the top on, my husband said that this is his favorite project that I have made so far and wants to see it in other colors. Now, I did not enjoy adding the ruffle following the pattern's instructions, so I did change that up to use a French seam to make the casing for the elastic.